In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect and remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up your financial records or simply need to remove an account no longer in use, this straightforward guide will help you get it done quickly and efficiently, all in under 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you're already at the QuickBooks homepage, you might find the Sign In button prominently displayed at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of QuickBooks you're accessing. In this case, select QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're in the right version since QuickBooks has multiple offerings tailored to different business needs. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully, making sure everything is entered correctly. After double checking your details, go ahead and click Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks dashboard, your central hub for managing financial transactions and accounts. From here, navigate to the Bank Transactions page. You can easily locate this by looking for the Banking option in the left menu of your dashboard. Once you find it, click on it to reveal your connected bank accounts. This is where the actual disconnection will take place. Now identify the specific bank account you wish to remove. You'll notice a small pencil icon next to the account's name, which allows you to edit the account details. Click on this pencil icon. This action leads you to a new page where you can access more detailed settings related to this account. On this page, you should see an option to edit account info. Clicking this will open a form where you can make changes to the account. This is also where we find the crucial step for disconnecting the account. Look for the checkbox labeled Disconnect this account on Save. By selecting this option, you are essentially instructing QuickBooks to disconnect this particular account from any automatic updates or downloads once you hit Save. After ticking the checkbox, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed with the disconnection. This step serves as a safety measure, ensuring that you're absolutely sure about removing the account from QuickBooks. With everything set up, the final step is to click Save. Doing so will finalize the process, ensuring that your selected bank account is now disconnected and removed from your list of active bank records in QuickBooks Online. Congratulations, you've successfully cleaned up your bookkeeping and streamlined your QuickBooks setup. And there you have it, a simple and efficient walkthrough for disconnecting and removing a bank account in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.